Hello, Ray welcomes you to Pearson Test of English. Today we are going to learn about the speaking module. The question type is Describe Image. Here's a look at the test format. You will get diagrams or images of different types like graphs, charts, maps, picture, tables, life cycles, flow charts, etc. You need to study the picture or diagram and you have to describe it. You will get a preparation time of 25 seconds and 40 seconds time to complete your answer. Like this, you will have 6 to 7 items. You will use the erasable noteboard booklet and pen to take down notes. You need to speak only 5 or 6 sentences to be able to complete your description within 40 seconds. Let's take a look at the criteria. Enabling skills are content, pronunciation, and oral fluency. The communication skill is only speaking. The scoring is non-integrated. The marks allotted are 5 marks for content, 5 for pronunciation, and 5 marks for oral fluency. So that's a total of 15 marks. Here are some of the strategies which would help you. Observation, using proper sentence structure, and the right pronunciation. You need to identify the key features of what you see in the image, identify the striking features, describe the type of the image and what it depicts, make notes while you're preparing, speak about 6 sentences. You can use the 6 sentence method which we are going to see in the following slides. You need to use at least 5 to 6 sentences. Conclude with an implication. Fillers are considered. Speak clearly. Use a lot of graphical jargon. And you can correct yourself in case you make an error. Here's how to do the task. The recording status box displays a countdown until the microphone opens. You have 25 seconds to study the image and prepare your response. Once you hear the short beep, you start speaking immediately. Do not start speaking before the microphone opens because your voice will not be recorded. You should speak clearly and there's no need to rush. Finish speaking before the progress bar reaches the end. The word recording changes to completed. You are only able to record your response once. Here's a sample question for you. There is a line graph which shows the palm oil production in Indonesia and Malaysia in different years, and the measurement of the oil production is shown in tons. On the right side of the page, you will see the recording time of how many seconds you have left before you begin your answer. It says, look at the graph below. In 25 seconds, please speak into the microphone and describe in detail what the graph is showing. You will have 40 seconds to give your response. Here is another sample question. Make sure that you begin speaking within 3 seconds of the starting time after you hear the beep sound, because if you're quiet for more than 3 seconds, the recording gets shut off automatically and you cannot record anything more for that particular question. Then you have to move to the next question. Here's the third sample for you. You have a graph where there are 2 different strategies used. One is the bar graph and the other one is the line graph. The bar graph shows the precipitation in millimeters and the line graph shows the average temperature, and both are from January to December in a given year. The temperature is measured in degrees Celsius. Here are sample answers for the three questions that you saw in the previous slides. You can study these answers and understand how you can describe the diagrams or images. These are sample answers. However, you can use your own sentence structure and give your descriptions with the correct details. Here are some tips and techniques for you. Focus on the main points of the image. Use the 6-sentence format, that is, in the first sentence, you state the type of graph and what it depicts. In the second sentence, you state the highest and the lowest values. In the third, fourth, and fifth sentences, you compare and contrast the in-between values. And in the sixth sentence, which is the final sentence, also called concluding sentence, you start off with the word overall and state one striking feature about the graph. In case you are running short of time, give a concluding statement. When the timer shows 30 seconds, you start concluding the topic. In case you are unable to comprehend the image, you can just read out the specifications. Use a lot of appropriate vocabulary and make sure you cover all the key elements. Use simple sentences with correct grammar and display confidence during delivery. Do not finish the description abruptly. Use a lot of graphical jargon. This is important for this question. Describe image. Pie charts would be shown in proportions, and learn the art of breathing. No sighing, no huffing nor puffing in the microphone, because your mic is a sensitive gadget and would pick up all these light voices and sounds. Speak clearly and moderately. Correct pronunciation and fluency are very important. This comes to the end of the describe image question, the speaking module in the PTE test. I hope this has been a helpful lesson for you. All the best in practicing. Thank you.